If you want to remove objects from photos on the Motorola Moto G87, what you can do is, first of all, we need to open the Photos app. And once we open the Photos app, then over here we should be able to choose the photo that we want to edit. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. Next, you want to go to Edit at the bottom of the screen. Over here, just go to Actions, and you should be able to find Magic Eraser. We want to select this option. And once this option loads up, then you should be able to select the object that you want to remove from your photo. So for example, we can draw a shape around the subject, you can try to tap on this subject, or you can brush the subject. So let's say I'm gonna select it just like that, there we go, and then tap on Erase. And then we need to wait for result. Usually it takes a couple of seconds to let it to happen, to make it done. There we go, you can tap on the check in the bottom right corner to save the Magic Eraser, and then save your photo as a copy. In case there is something left after erasing the photo and you don't really like it, if you want to, for example, improve it, you can still select that area and you can try to improve it with the Magic Eraser. Leave a like and subscribe.